We keep the 2018 ball rolling this evening by acknowledging that in terms of sport, the most significant thing about 2018 is that this is the year of the Football World Cup finals in Russia. And outside of the fact that the Reggae Boys will not be there, the 2018 World Cup provides yet another opportunity for the most talented player of the modern era, the preeminent superstar of this generation, Lionel Andres Messi, to get rid of his World Cup demons and to dominate and win a World Cup title. This will be Messi's fourth tournament and fourth try to end the debates and done the argument about his greatness by doing what other true greats have done: dominate and win the World Cup and cement his legacy as one of, if not the greatest player ever. Messi will be 31 in June, so it is safe to say that this will be his last tournament at his peak. He'll be 35 in 2022 and well past that peak. So this could be it for Lionel Messi if he sets Russia alight, dazzles in triumph, and lifts the World Cup title. Justice would have been done to his talent. If him come at the World Cup and flop again, his career and his legacy will forever be punctuated by question signs. So Lionel, forget about the La Liga and the Copa del Rey and even the Champions League. Think greatness, think legacy, think World Cup glory. Again, this might not necessarily be the last parados, but for sure, for Lionel Messi and his millions of anxious fans, the window is closing. See ya?